day one of my transformation. Over this summer, I've let myself go. This is what I look like right now. Yeah, I kind of let work uh, take over, consume my life this summer because I own my own business and it's been really good. So we've been really busy with renovations and stuff. So yeah. Anyhow, this is what I look like. I currently weigh about 225, I believe. The scale says 229, but I've eaten already. So yeah, come along on this journey with me. I'm gonna be recording everything, my meal preps, physical updates, gym workouts, and all that. So stick with me on this journey, and maybe you guys can motivate me to keep going. I really let myself go this summer, so it's time to get back in shape. It's been bothering me for quite a while now. So this is my meal prep for the next 2 days. I've got one rice with ground beef, and then I'll have potato, which I'll be adding chicken to this, and vegetable as well to all of it, right? I've got some extra potatoes here, some extra ground beef, and some extra rice, which will do me next few days. As for chicken, I haven't cooked it yet. I like buying chicken that's already cooked from Walmart. I literally just take it out, throw it in the microwave, and then throw it in a pan with olive oil and seasonings. Yeah, it's quick. I can cook really well, but sometimes it's just easier, especially for me. I run my own business and I live in the early mornings, right? So this is just simple. Put it in the microwave, heat it up a little bit, get it to thaw, and then throw it in a frying pan with some olive oil and seasonings, and frozen vegetables as well. Get that nice and sautéed, and then I throw it in my meals. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys what I eat throughout the day. Obviously, that's not that's not the only thing I'm eating. I'm also having breakfast and snacks in between, smoothies or whatever, right? My aim is to eat 3,200 calories daily. So what I'm gonna try and do is do a lean bulk, and I'm gonna add in a little bit of cardio just to try and get rid of any unwanted fat. I don't want to get really fat, so I'm gonna be adding in a little bit of cardio. I will be recording my workouts as well. put the eggs in here too soon, but that's okay. You wanna help daddy cook? Come, come. Don't make a mess though. Oh, good job. Good job. There you go. Two slices of toast.
Daddy, what happened?
What happened?
Daddy, what happened?
I dropped the salt.
Oh.
Then I have some toast. Oh man, you're sick, bro. Oh man, I am tired this morning. It's just after 4 a.m. I can't sleep, so I'm up. I'm gonna make some breakfast. Today is gonna be a little different than usual. Usually I'm having oatmeal and blueberries and all that, but I am out of oatmeal, so I'm gonna be making some pancakes this morning. Some protein pancakes actually. So today I'm gonna be using this Flourish protein pancake waffle mix. 23 grams of protein, bunch of fiber, and 38 grams of carbs per serving. So yeah, we're gonna be having this. This is very nice actually. I've had it. It's very good. Get it from Costco. So yeah, that's gonna be breakfast. So yeah, let's start. Whey protein isolate here. I bought this thinking it was vanilla. I saw natural and I didn't even know they made unflavored, unsweetened protein. So I saw natural thinking it was vanilla and I took it, and yeah, I'm not so I have this here, so I'm trying to use it up, right? I ended up having to buy another one just to use in my shakes and stuff because this one it doesn't taste like anything. So I usually will use it for if I'm making like a pancake or something where I'm adding some other type of sweetener. So yeah, it's I wouldn't be buying that again, that's for sure. Okay, we got some so training this week has been really good actually. Today should be my second leg day. So I was supposed to go this morning, but I'm just too tired. So I think I'm gonna go after work this afternoon. Hopefully I can fit it in. I gotta go to the barber shop. So I think I'm gonna leave work around 3, go to the barber shop, then probably go to the gym afterwards. There we go. I'm also gonna be taking this glucosamine here. I got it from Costco. It's to help with the joints. I got those old man joints, especially in my knees. So I take this every morning at breakfast time and it seems to be helping. I've been doing it for about a month now. So I think I'm gonna keep doing it, keep buying it, because my joints have been feeling really good. I usually avoid squatting because I have very bad knees, but lately they've been feeling good. So I'm gonna keep doing this. at that. Week 1 is done. This is where we are. There's no real considerable change, but that's to be expected. It's only been 1 week. So yeah, according to the scale, I'm not totally empty. It says I'm 228, so I'm guessing I'm more like 226 because I think I haven't gone for the morning yet. So, but we'll keep going and do some regular updates.